Why your website visitors aren't buying and what it's costing you. Ever feel like your website is a leaky bucket? You're pouring in traffic but barely catching any sales. You've invested in the perfect ad campaign. Clicks are rolling in. Your landing pages look great. But when it comes to conversions, nothing. The truth is, most websites are silently losing money every single day, and the owners don't even realize it. Here's what most businesses get wrong. They focus all their effort on driving traffic, not converting it. The average website converts just 2.35% of visitors. That means 98 out of every 100 people you paid to attract? They leave without buying. Even worse, around 70% of shoppers abandon their carts. That's millions in lost sales slipping through your fingers. Not because you're missing traffic, but because your funnel isn't optimized to convert. Let's look at the math. For every $92 businesses spend to get traffic, only $1 is spent on converting that traffic into paying customers. It's like renting the perfect retail store in the busiest mall, then leaving your sales counter unmanned. And it's not just startups or small e-commerce shops. Even established brands with strong traffic fall into this trap. Poor user experience, unclear messaging, and slow load times are silent killers of conversion. Customer expectations have shifted. People now expect frictionless, personalized experiences. A 1-second delay in load time? That can drop conversions by 7%. No personalization? You risk losing 80% of your leads. If you're throwing money into ads but ignoring conversion rate optimization, CRO, you're burning budget. And with rising ad costs and tougher competition, CRO is no longer optional. It's the difference between profit and pain. In the next video, we'll walk you through exactly how to fix this. We'll break down 3 proven CRO tactics you can implement right now to turn your website into a conversion machine.